I declare this week to be Sherlock Gnomes week.
Woohoo!
Paramount Pictures asked us to help celebrate the release of Sherlock Gnomes by drawing characters from the movie. Tell our art friends when Sherlock Gnomes is available to buy on iTunes.
Tomorrow.
Are you excited?
Yes!
There's more details plus links in the description below this video. Well, we really did love this movie so much that we thought it would be a lot of fun to help them celebrate the release.
Each day this week we'll be drawing a different character.
And they also gave us 5 prize packs to give away to 5 lucky art friends. What's in the prize pack?
These plushies.
Yeah, these 5 plushies will come in one of the prize packs. So we have 25 plushies to give away. Plus these 2 books and a t-shirt.
I want these.
Now to enter the giveaway, parents, take a photo of your child's gnome artwork. Ding! That's not what a camera sounds like. There you go. And then post that photo to Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter and use 2 tags. The first one is to tag us in it. It's at Art for Kids Hub. That'll notify us and let us know that you've entered. And then also use the hashtag Sherlock Gnomes Art. That'll keep all the art together so it's easier to pick the winners at the end. Together. And then when are we going to pick the 5 winners?
June 15th.
Friday, June 15th. So you have 2 weeks to get your entries in. And you can enter as many times as you want because we want to see a lot of Sherlock Gnome art. Mm-hmm. Now, who are we going to draw today? Watson, yeah.
I like his thing.
You like his
I don't know
beard
what it's
thing?
called.
Beard, probably. Mustache.
It comes like up, down, up.
Into his nostrils. All right, so let's clear the table off. You got your marker?
Yes.
We hope you're going to follow along with us, and let's draw Watson.
Watson.
We're going to first start by drawing Watson's eyes right in the middle of our paper, but a little towards the top, so that we have room to draw his body below. So we're going to draw 2 circles about this size. Yeah. Now a little space, and then another one. Yeah. Now let's draw that smaller circle in the top right to make his eyes look shiny. And then color in the big circle and leave the 2 little ones white. Now we're going to draw Watson's head, and we're going to start close to his eye. Watch this. We're going to start really close to his eye up here, and we're going to draw, watch, it goes out like this. And then it's going to go around and then back up. So it comes out on both sides. So we're going to start up here and end over here, but we want to go out for his cheeks on both sides.
It's a weird shape.
Yeah, it's a weird shape. He also has a little big sideburns and a beard. So we're drawing room for that too. Yeah, good. Now let's draw his nose, and we're going to draw a little U in between the eyes. Now let's draw the top of his head. So we're going to connect this side all the way over to the other side. I know, it looks like a upside down gumdrop.
Or like mashed potato or something.
Oh, mashed potato.
Mine looks like a square.
It does look a little squarish, but that's okay. All right, now we're going to draw his beard. So we're going to start right here at the top of his hat, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down. This is a really fun line. So we're going to draw a curve. It comes down, up, close to his nose,
down,
and
then
back up. Yes, that's his beard. Kind of looks like Santa. Well, we're gonna when we're done, he won't be. So we're gonna start right here. Come down, back up, close to his nose, and then back down and back up.
Okay.
So, yeah, go down for his cheek, back up to his nose, back down,
back up.
Yeah, that was tricky, and you did it perfect. Now we're gonna draw his mustache. We're gonna start right here. We're gonna draw kind of a loop, an oval. Raindrop shape, and we're going to draw another one on the other side. Okay, now we're going to draw the rest of his beard. It's going to curve right here from his cheek and come up and touch his mustache.
Touch his mustache.
Yeah. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. He has a cool beard. I like it. Now let's draw his lips or his mouth. And then we can also draw his chin. Good. Now we could draw his eyebrows on both eyes.
Looks like that's the mouth.
It kind of does. Yep. And one on the other side. And then let's color in his mustache black. Okay, let's finish his hat. On each side, we're going to extend it out just a little ways on both sides. Then we're going to draw a fun line for the brim of his hat. So it's going to come up, back down, back up, and then connect to the other side.
Back down, back up.
And connect. Then we're going to draw the top of his hat. It's going to go up, over, and then back down. Yes. And at the very top of his hat, he has a little bump. So we're going to draw a little upside down U at the top of his hat. Now we can draw his ears. Let's draw a C on the left side and a backward C on the right side. Okay, now we got to draw his body. Let's first draw his neck. We're going to draw a line that comes straight down on both sides, right underneath his eyes. Then we're going to draw his collar. So we're going to draw a U that comes around and connects. Then let's draw his belly. We're going to draw a big belly, comes out on both sides.
Big belly.
Yeah.
Big belly.
Now let's connect these two lines with another curve. So we're going to draw one curve that connects the left side over to the right. Okay, let's add the details to his jacket and also his collar. He has a bow tie, so let's draw the circle first. And then draw each side of the bow tie. So we'll draw a shape that comes out of that circle on the left and also on the right. Then let's connect. Let's draw a straight line down from the bow. Now let's draw the front of his jacket. We can draw a curve that comes down, right down the middle. And then let's add his collar. We draw a big U on each side.
Kind of a wide U.
Yeah, it's a really wide W. And then we can draw two circles for the buttons on his jacket. And then he has a little handkerchief sticking out of his pocket. So let's draw the bottom, and then we'll draw an upside down V. Yeah, there we go. Next we could draw his legs, and we're going to draw them kind of short. We're going to draw one line right down the middle, and then we can draw two shorter lines on the outside. One on each side, and I drew them coming in. Yeah, there you go. And then let's draw a line that connects all three of these. Watch this. We're going to draw a curve, and it goes through all three lines. What's he missing down here at the bottom?
His feet.
His feet, his shoes. We'll draw a little sideways U on each leg for his shoes.
That's a huge shoe.
Yeah, it looks kind of big, but that's okay. Next, we should draw his arms and also his hands. We're going to draw them really simple. We're going to draw a line that comes out, curves back in. It looks like a backwards J. And we'll do the same thing, repeat the same step, except the frontwards J on the right side. Then down here at the bottom, let's add a line for the end of his sleeves and the beginning of his hands. Now, what's he holding in his right hand?
A cane.
A cane, yeah. I loved his cane. It was really cool. It had some cool stuff in it.
Cool tricks.
Cool tricks in the cane, yeah. So let's first draw. We're going to draw, it looks like a candy cane or upside down J. And I drew it touching. See, the top is touching his hand. Then we're going to draw it thicker so that it looks like he's hanging onto it. So we're going to draw another curve that comes out. But look at that. It matches the top. Is that cool?
Yeah.
It's kind of tricky. Then we're going to draw another line that comes down the other side. Then let's connect the bottom and also the top. And we did it! We finished drawing Watson. He turned out perfect, except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color him.
Yeah, he's going to look much better once we color him. Now this part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same color. Good job on coloring Watson. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Now it's okay that our two drawings look a little different, right? Because the most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. And both of our drawings look amazing. I got a question for you. Which character was your favorite in Sherlock Gnomes?
Juliet.
Juliet. I think Watson was my favorite. And we hope you had a lot of fun following along with us and drawing Watson, except we're not done, right? It's challenge time. What should we challenge our art friends to do?
Add a background.
Yes, add a background to your drawing to finish it. And then parents, be sure to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and then post it to Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. To Twitter. Then you'll be entered into our giveaway. And what are the 2 tags that they should use in their post?
At Art for Kids Hub.
Yes, Art for Kids Hub and hashtag
Sherlock Gnomes Art.
Yes, Sherlock Gnomes Art. We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.